So in the last 2 years of me being here on YouTube, my inbox has been absolutely flooded with people just like you that are probably brand new to the trading space and have no idea where to start. Now, although I believe that the first step is always finding yourself a good coach or mentor that can kind of guide you through the way and make sure that you're good and not making certain mistakes that can be avoidable. I understand there's a lot of you out there that probably just can't afford it right now, or maybe you're not willing to yet make that financial investment. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys the top 5 trading sites that I think you should check out to be able to get your trading journey started as someone that's brand new. And here's the best part. Most of these sites are completely free. So don't sleep on them. Watch this video to the end. And if you enjoy, hit that like button.
I feel just like a rock star.
What's up, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Rico, aka RockStarrFX, here back with another video. And as I told you guys, today we're going to be going over a few websites that I think all of you should check out and really tap into, especially if you're not yet ready financially to invest in some kind of coaching or education. These sites I know for a fact can help you in your beginner's journey to taking your trading to the next level. And I know this because these sites, or some of these sites, have actually helped me. And well, you guys are subscribed to me, which means you're probably learning from me. So it only makes sense, right? So with that being said, let's not waste any of your time and let's jump straight into it. Site number 1 is going to be BABYPIPS.com. Now, I know you guys have probably heard me mention BABYPIPS on this channel before, but I never really dived deep into BABYPIPS and how everything works or even what it's about. So if you guys have never been to BABYPIPS before, it is very simple. It's a very user-friendly website and community for traders, especially brand new traders. They have blogs, they have forums that you can tap into and ask questions. You can communicate with some other traders around the world, whether it be some more experienced people or some brand new people like yourself. They offer tools as well as their very own course, the School of Pipsology, which is fire. It starts from the very beginner basic stuff when it comes to, learning how to trade Forex and tapping in as someone that's brand new, and then diving deeper and deeper as you progress throughout the academy to more of the advanced stuff. Now, one thing that I will say is that everything is text. So there aren't really many videos or anything like that for you to tap into. But again, this is a great source of education for brand new people to be able to tap into and really learn the basics of trading. Number 2 on my list is going to be TradingView.com. That's right, TradingView.com. Now, I know most of you here should already be familiar with TradingView, and you're like, well, why in the world would Rico put a charting platform on one of the top sites to be able to learn how to trade? And aside from the fact that this is, where most people kind of go to be able to learn how to chart up and kind of make those mistakes on your own, what's really cool about TradingView is that they offer a wide range of other things aside from just charting, like, updates, whether it's the Forex market or the stock market. They offer news. They also have a community just like BABYPIPS where you can post on, blogs and ask questions and forums and stuff like that. I'm really big on community when it comes to learning how to trade. I think trading is a pretty simple concept in itself, but I believe that a lot of people just don't have the right community to be able to ask certain questions and learn from other people's mistakes. And I think TradingView does an amazing job at that. The TradingView social trading community helps you connect with other traders, share ideas, and more importantly, look at some of the best analysis from the top traders from around the world and be able to see hands-on exactly what they're doing and how they're doing, and again, be able to ask questions. So I really like the whole social trading concept that they have there. It makes sense to me. And again, most of you are already on TradingView anyway, so why not tap into the community that you have access to for free? Now, this next one is one that had to be mentioned, and I'm sure most of you have already heard of this, and that is Investopedia.com. That's right, Investopedia. Now, although Investopedia is more geared towards stock trading, it can very much be useful for all other styles of trading such as Forex and binary options, because in all reality, the markets are the markets, and when you start to understand patterns and learn the different terminology, which is what most people know Investopedia to be for, is to get the definitions. It's like the freaking dictionary for all traders and investors. But once you get some of that basic stuff down, it kind of gets a little bit more easier to just understand the markets in general. Not only do you have the whole trading dictionary or investing dictionary available to you, but at the same time, Investopedia also has their Investopedia simulator where you can actually get on and take trading challenges, right? Test your skills with thousands of other traders from around the world in competitions and trading challenges that you can partake in to see just how much of a good trader you actually are. Now, I do want to remind you guys that there is no specific order in the websites that I am providing you here with today. I personally think you guys should just check them all out and see which one kind of works with you, which one you resonate with the most. And if you made it this far in the video and you haven't done so already, make sure you smash that like button for the algorithm and subscribe if you are not already subscribed, because here on this channel, we're going to continue to drop some more free knowledge, some free game for you guys to be able to take your trading to the next level. So let's continue to running up and let's get to the next website. The next website is going to be investing.com. That's right, it's a very simple domain name. I don't know why more people didn't think of this, but investing.com is pretty much just a one-stop shop where you can learn almost everything about trading. Now, although investing.com is more geared towards newer traders, right? The beginner, the basic kind of stuff, which is kind of similar to a lot of the other websites that we've mentioned today, like BABYPIPS, for example. I still feel like investing.com is definitely a good mention here on this video, because again, I think the amount of information that they offer is great. And at the end of the day, the biggest room in the world is the room for improvement. And if you're trying to learn, it only makes sense to not only study, but to get as many resources as you can possibly get and kind of figure out what makes sense and what works for you. Last but not least, and I know you guys are probably gonna hate me for this one, but I think this was a good one to kind of throw at the end, because this is definitely where a lot of you already are, partaking in, and that is YouTube. Right? YouTube.com. Now, I have to throw YouTube into this because YouTube is like the freest academy education that you guys can find on the internet. But here's the thing, and this is why I wanted to make YouTube last. Because as someone that's brand new, a lot of the times you come into the space and you're not really sure where to start. You don't know what to search. You don't know who's legit, who's not legit, and all this other kind of stuff. And once you kind of get the basics down and get the terminology and understand some of the beginner stuff, you start to see through the fluff of some of the YouTube gurus, and you start to understand who really knows what it is that they're talking about and who's just here for the clout or to sell a course, because that's always a big thing on YouTube as well. But I think YouTube is by far one of the biggest platforms where you can be able to come and learn how to do whatever it is that you're searching for, whatever it is that you're looking to do. In fact, I personally, I don't know about you guys, but anytime I'm trying to learn something new, or if I'm trying to search something up, I think I go to YouTube more than I actually go to Google. But I guess it kind of depends on the age. But YouTube is the last website that I would recommend to everybody here, because again, the information here is unlimited and it is absolutely free. And a great start for your YouTube search journey is actually right here on one of my last videos, the 5 topics new and beginner traders need to search to become full-time and profitable. So make sure you go check that out. And as always, it's your boy Rico, aka RockStarrFX. I'm out. Peace.
Feel just like a rock star.